Windows Subsystem for Linux (WSL) is an excellent project of Microsoft. It's a great flexibility for Windows user. WSL is a compatibility layer for running Linux binary executables natively on Windows 10. In May 2019, WSL 2 was announced. Real Linux kernel is embedded here. Since June 2019, WSL 2 is available to the Windows 10 users through the Windows Insider program. To try this program, active WSL in your system and then install your favorite Linux distribution. Step 1. Active WSL from Windows 10 feature list. Go to Start menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar. Click on it. Go to Programs. Then select Programs and Features menu. Or click on the Turn Windows Features on or off option with the shield icon. You will have a new window which in being loading features. Scroll down to find out Windows Subsystem for Linux. Check the check box, then click OK. You can do this job in another way. Open browser. Search for WSL Windows 10. Go to Microsoft Help page. In this page you can have WSL detail documentation. Open PowerShell as administrator. Copy the first code in the Microsoft page. Click right button of your mouse on the PowerShell and hit enter. We will do this from the control panel. After click on OK, WSL components will be installed automatically. To apply the changes you must restart your PC. Now your PC is ready for WSL program. To install favorite Linux, go to Microsoft Store. Search for Linux. There are several Linux distribution in it. Check your machine compatibility for the Linux distribution provided here. I chose the first. Click on Get tab. If you have Microsoft account, you can sign in. I want to skip it. Then click on Install and wait for a while for downloading. When download is finished, you will have this as an app. To install the Ubuntu, go to Start menu, click on the Ubuntu app. Then it will be installed for you. To complete the installation, give your username and password. Wait a minute. Now it is ready to use. For better visibility, increase font size of bash window and maximize it. Now I will show how you can access your Windows system and other drive from the WSL. To show the mounted drive, type ls/mnt/. Hit enter. Look, I have these 3 disk drives on my Windows system. Then access C drive. I will go to my desktop from here. To make a file on desktop, type touch file name. I have made a file named test.txt. To open and edit this file, type nano file name. Nano is a command line text editor for Linux. Write something, then save and exit. To open this file in Linux bash shell, type cat file name. I will open this file with Vim editor. First install Vim. It already have installed. Open the text file with Vim. You can also use Linux bash shell in Windows command prompt or CMD. Open CMD and type bash. Now you have Linux in Windows kernel.